Hi, welcome to my evening story channel. Today, my story, the title of my story is Rebuilding the World. Once upon a time, there was a father reading a newspaper, and he had a son who was constantly breaking his head. Then the father had an idea to take a piece of newspaper where was the geographical map of the world, scatter it in small pieces. Then he said to his son, "Show me how you can rebuild the world by gluing these pieces as they were before." Donc show me how you can rebuild the world by gluing their pieces as they were before. The father, satisfied with his strike that will occupy his son all day, returns to his dairy. But after a short time, the child returns having done the job. The very surprised father asks him, Do you learn geography in the belly of your mother?" The child responds, I don't know what you're talking about." But in the other side of the newspaper, there was a man's face, and rebuilding his face, I rebuilt the world. End my story. This story reported by the writer Paulo Coelho. See you soon for a new story. Bye.